Hello guys and welcome back. So this is my third and final video about very simple yogic life hacks that you can do during the quarantine to make sure that you're coping with the situation in the world right now. So we've been to two techniques, and if you haven't seen those videos, please give them a visit as well. But this last little mental trick I'm going to teach you guys and that we're going to work with in this series is a very simple meditative exercise. And what you're doing in this exercise is that you're sitting down. This can be done at any time during the day, morning or evening, or in the middle of the day. And what you're going to do here is that you're just going to sit down and we're going to meditate on how everything in our life is dependent upon others and other things. So you're going to meditate upon how your body is dependent on food, which again is dependent on water, which is dependent on sunlight, how you're dependent on water to function, and how that water is dependent on the rain, the clouds. You're going to meditate upon how you're dependent on the love and compassion of other people, and how you've been throughout your entire life, from your mother and your parents to your current friends and all the people taking care of the different things that make society function, and how you're dependent upon the air, how you share this with every other living being. So that's the third very simple meditation, is that you're going to sit down and you're going to think about everything that keeps you alive, and how that every little thing that makes you able to live is dependent on other things, which again is dependent on other things and other things, and you're just trying to branch this out as far as possible. So that's the third meditation, and do these three things every day throughout your quarantine, and I promise you that you will come out of this situation happier and more joyful. Thank you so much for watching, and may all beings be happy and free of suffering.